Alright, we have this amazing elevator. Here it comes.
C.J. Anderson call button. That is not Payne, that is C.J. Anderson.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people say it's Payne, but that's C.J. Anderson.
Here it is. American elevator, modernized by automatic elevator. We'll get a good look at the cab before we go anywhere. Here we go up to 7. Here at 7. Call automatic elevator. Alright, now we'll go down to B. Gonna let it time out. That was really nice.
You like that elevator?
It's very nice.
Big thanks to Mike over here from Mr. Automatic Elevator.
Thank you for
Good
coming
job.
by and looking at it.
All right, that's it.